I got my mini food chopper out here. We got all the ingredients for chimichurri sauce. Chimichurri sauce is a Argentinian style steak sauce that can't be beat on, let's say, picanha or any kind of steak actually. We've got some Italian flat leaf parsley, a whole bunch of that to go in there. We got to kind of jam that down in there. And we have some cilantro, another bunch of that with the stems removed from the parsley and the cilantro have the stems removed. We're going to have to punch this down before we can do anything else. Once we get these greens punched down, we can start adding the other ingredients. So I got to make a little bit of noise. Hang on tight. Here we go with the noise. Sorry about the noise. Okay, we got our greens punched down a little bit. Now we can start adding everything else. We've got a half of a red onion, half of a large red onion. That's a large red onion. You know, you can use as much red onion or as little as you want. Then we've got 6 large cloves of garlic. Like a lot of garlic in your chimichurri. Good stuff. And here's the spices. We've got some salt, pepper, and garlic, oregano, and some red chili flakes. Gonna go in there. All of that in there. Then to wet it down with some red wine vinegar. About, I don't know, let's call it a 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar. That's good stuff. Red wine vinegar in there. About a 1/4 of a cup. And then we got some olive oil. We got the pappy. Now this deserves its own video, and someday I'm going to make that video. But this is the pappy. The pappy. Let's drop in some of the pappy olive oil. We don't want to skip on the olive oil, but we do want to get a good bit of it in there. Let's call that a 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. How about that? Now all we got to do is punch that all down, grind that all up. Sorry about the noise. And I think we got the result. Chimichurri sauce. Looks good. Let's give it a taste. Oh man, that's the stuff. Perfect. Thanks for watching.